At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a gold jewelry business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and execution. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand the demand for gold jewelry in your target market. Identify your potential customers, their preferences, and the competition in your area. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, pricing strategy, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business. 3. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary permits or licenses required in your area. Consult with legal and financial professionals to ensure compliance with regulations and tax requirements. 4. Supplier selection. Research and establish relationships with reliable gold suppliers or wholesalers. Ensure that the gold you purchase meets quality standards and is ethically sourced. 5. Inventory. Build a diverse inventory of gold jewelry that appeals to your target market. Consider offering a variety of styles, designs, and price points to cater to different customer preferences. 6. Location. Choose a suitable location for your store if you plan to have a physical storefront. Ensure that it is easily accessible to your target customers and has sufficient space to display your inventory. 7. Online presence. Create a professional website and establish a presence on social media platforms to showcase your products and attract customers. Invest in high-quality images and descriptive content to highlight the beauty and craftsmanship of your jewelry. 8. Marketing and advertising. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your gold jewelry business. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing tactics such as social media advertising, email marketing, print ads, and participation in local events or trade shows. 9. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Train your staff to assist customers with their inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, and ensure a positive shopping experience. 10. Quality control. Maintain strict quality control standards to ensure the authenticity and craftsmanship of your gold jewelry. Inspect each piece before it is displayed for sale and address any issues promptly. 11. Networking. Network with other businesses in the jewelry industry, as well as local community organizations and industry associations. Building relationships can lead to valuable partnerships and opportunities for growth. 12. Continuous improvement. Stay updated on industry trends, customer preferences, and technology advancements. Continuously seek feedback from customers and adapt your business strategies accordingly to stay competitive in the market. Starting a gold jewelry business requires dedication, perseverance, and a keen understanding of the market. By following these steps and staying committed to providing quality products and excellent customer service, you can build a successful and thriving business in the jewelry industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.